there's really not much to say about this thing other than you needed it yesterday. I use it all the time. When I say that, I am not joking at all. Like, oh, why get on your hands and knees and scrub forever and use all kinds of cleaners and everything when you can just use this? It literally does the work for you. I use it on my showers, in my microwave. It cleans my microwave in less than 5 minutes. To clean the baseboards for me is like torture. And so being able to use this, and it just takes like the caked on dust that's been on there forever just right off. All you have to do is wipe. Now, using it on my windowsills is the next best thing because those things are nasty. But all I do is spray it and it literally just comes right off. And then I just take like a napkin or a towel and wipe it. That is all you have to do. This thing has been phenomenal. It is a pressurized steam cleaner. Y'all need to get you one. I promise you it's really, really good. My mom went and got her one too. She loves steaming all the things. I'll put it down below if you guys want to check it out.